My name is Vijay Subbarao. I'm a cardiologist at Intermountain Health. I think as a physician, I find that there's a level of trust that patients come into your office, and that trust to me is not just I know more than them. It's to actually level the playing field so the knowledge gap doesn't seem to exist, and they understand where we're going with any condition. I have to do justice to that at the maximum extent of knowledge, evidence-based medicine, and making sure that they understand where they are, and be very transparent about it. I grew up in India for 25 years. I got a very broad spectrum of training, which was focused on rural patients really in need. I've been practicing in Denver for 22 years now. My wife says I think I have just too many things that I'm interested in. I like to read and write a lot. I ride my bike. I'm into photography and now going into some outdoors landscape photography. I took a trip to Scotland with my 10-year-old camera. Went to India for a couple of weeks. I visited Darjeeling, kind of north of India. I just want to show you a little poem that I read, and it's by E. Cummings, which says, "I carry your heart with me. I'm never without it. I go where you go, and whatever is done by only me is your doing." So what that means to me is that when a patient comes to see me, they are kind of giving me their heart, whether to find out what's wrong with it or what's right with it. Once they entrust me with that, that's a very big responsibility. So that's what cardiology to me is after all these years.